Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. I hope all of you are doing good. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is HPCL. So let's start the video. Friend, HPCL has released couple of vacancies for chartered accountant. Online application will start from 23rd June 2022 and last date to apply for online application is 22nd July 2022. So you have 1 month to apply for these vacancies. So now let's discuss the vacancy eligibility criteria and the experience required. So friends, at serial number 14 there is a vacancy for chartered accountant. It's E2 grade vacancies and there are total 15 vacancies for these posts, and the upper age limit to apply for this is 27 years, and the qualification asked is a chartered accountant who has qualified his mandatory articleship. So they are just asking a chartered accountant who has completed his articleship and there is no prior experience required. So freshers can also apply for these vacancies along with the experienced candidate. And one important thing, they have mentioned membership of ICI. So you need to have a membership of ICI to apply for these vacancies. So if you have not yet taken, then do take the membership of ICI. And they have specifically mentioned the minimum marks required in qualifying degree for chartered accountant. They have said that minimum 50% marks in CA final exam including group 1 and group 2 is asked for. So I don't know why they have mentioned that in CA final to pass the exam 50% is required. So if you are a chartered accountant, then you are meeting the minimum qualification. So don't worry about that. Since for CA vacancy no experience required, so we don't need to look into all this. Now shortlisting and selection process. So friends, for these vacancies shortlisting will be 3-step process. First you will have computer based test, then group discussion followed by personal interview. So like this your selection will take place. It's a 3-step process, and they have also mentioned in computer based test what things will be asked, and the good news is there will not be any negative marking. So you can attempt all the questions, and your computer based test is divided into 2 parts. First part will be general aptitude. In that English language, quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning and data interpretation will be asked, and the second part will be technical or professional knowledge. It will be related to qualifying degree, that is from our CA background or commerce background questions will be there. So your technical syllabus will basically consist of accounts, financial management, costing, companies act, income tax, etc. So all these questions will be asked. They have not mentioned the ratio of questions between general aptitude to technical or professional knowledge, but based on the past experience of other PSUs we can say that it will be 40-60, like 40% from general aptitude and 60% will be from your professional knowledge or technical knowledge, and it can go till like say 30-70 or 80-20 also. So depending upon the company, so they can change that ratio, but most probably be assured that your technical syllabus will be more than a general aptitude. So you can be rest assured that your technical or professional knowledge will have more weightage as compared to a general aptitude. So you need to prepare accordingly. And candidates qualifying in computer based test will be asked for other documents also, and you will be called for group discussion and personal interview based on the merit list prepared from the result of computer based test. Here they have not mentioned what will be the minimum passing criteria of computer based test, or what will the minimum score that candidate need to get to make himself eligible for group discussion and PI. They will inform about this at the later stage. See, they have specifically mentioned that the detailed syllabus of computer based test, shortlisting, etc. will be uploaded prior to the commencement of selection process. And friends, we at Finance MCQ will also release the technical syllabus course to practice for this examination. So don't worry, we will take care of your technical syllabus preparation. Now most important, remuneration. So friends, chartered accountant vacancy will be under E2 grade. Here the pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000 and the CTC to the company will be 16.2 lakhs. So it's really a great package comparing that they are asking CA freshers for this post. So if you are want to work in an industry at this attractive package, then you should definitely apply for this post. And friends, this CTC include all your basic pay scale and other perks and perquisites as provided by the company. Placement and posting. So friends, a candidate can be posted at any location of HPCL depending upon the requirement of the company, including its subsidiary or joint ventures. Probation and retirement. So friends, selected candidate will be in probation for 1 year from the date of joining, and upon successful completion he will be considered for confirmation. And the second important point is retention amount. So friends, during the probation period, an amount of rupees 5,000 per month will be deducted from your salary, and once you are confirmed, then same will be refunded to you. And in case you leave the organization in between or the service is terminated before confirmation, then this retention amount will be forfeited by the company. So do keep this in mind. Then there are reservation and other relaxation also in the notification. You can check them in detail in the notification. I will put the notification link in the description. Then application process. So friends, as I mentioned earlier, the application will start from 23rd June 2022 and it will go till 22nd July 2022. So almost 1 month is there to fill up these vacancies, and you need to apply online through the company's website under career section. Then you can check all other details, how to apply and how to fill the forms, etc. Now application fees. Friends, for SC/ST PWD candidate, they are exempt from payment of application fee, and for unreserved OBC and EWS candidate, you need to pay a application fee of rupees 1,180 including GST. And for computation of age, experience, qualification requirement, the last date of application will be considered as a cutoff date. So by 22nd July 2022, you need to meet the age criteria, experience criteria and qualification criteria. Now some questions may come that, sir, I had just given the May attempt of CA final, whether I am eligible to apply. So the condition is by 22nd July your result is out, you have completed your articleship and you have also got your membership, then only you are eligible, else you can't apply for this vacancy. So do keep this in mind. You need to have your membership number, articleship has to be completed, then only you are eligible to apply. And if you have any query, you can mail them at career@hpcl.in. so rest are all general terms and conditions, you can check them in detail. So friends, it's really a very good opportunity for all my CA freshers friends as well as the experienced CA friends who want to pursue their career in a PSU organization. The package is really good. So if you find this interesting, then do apply for this vacancy, and we will also help you in the preparation of your technical syllabus through our courses. So do give it a try if you want to pursue your career in a PSU, and also share this video with your friends whom you find that this video might be useful. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.